of you. Hope you all are fine and safe. So today's topic is disorders of respiratory system. What is disorders of respiratory system? Disorder of respiratory system is occur due to disturbance in respiratory system. So which kind of disturbance? For example, the first main disorder is asthma. What is asthma? Asthma is a disease. It is a disease of respiratory system. What will happen in asthma? There is a difficulty in breathing. How difficulty in breathing occur? Due to narrowing and inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. As you all know, bronchi and bronchioles are the part of respiratory system. There is an inflammation occur, so patient is unable to take breathing. There is a difficulty in breathing occur that is caused by allergens. What is allergens? Allergens are the kind of, like, most commonly house dust. House dust are the responsible for inflammations. What will happen? This kind of toxic substance enter into the bronchioles, and what they will do? They will do the blockage. So there is difficulty in breathing occur, and there are some relief inhibitors are there, like aspirin provides relief, and some pumps are also available to provide relief in such kind of asthma. So this is the first important disease of respiratory system, or we can say disorder of respiratory system. And then we come to the second part, that is the emphysema. What is emphysema? It is also a disorder of respiratory system. What will happen in this case? There is a damage of alveoli and reducing respiratory surface. How they will damage of alveoli? There is a